Documents, workflows, and processes that involve documents, organizations of every kind continually struggle to manage required documents, whether it's to care for a patient or process paperwork for almost any requirement. Research shows that you're tired of wasting time, losing documents, and scrambling to address compliance issues related to document tracking and auditing. You would sometimes just like to know what is happening with a particular document or process and find it extremely time-consuming to simply get the information required to answer a question. It's frustrating. Obviously, you need a better way, but there are so many choices and unknowns. It's daunting to even try and implement a document or enterprise content management system to improve your workflow. Transforming your business processes? It's intimidating, scary. We understand your situation. Optitec has been designing document management and business process automation solutions for over 20 years. After implementing hundreds of successful solutions, we can confidently say that you can get the improvements in compliance, retention, productivity, and customer service you need. We have probably already done the same for an organization similar to yours, and our customers have experienced a 30 to 36% increase in overall productivity, which reflects directly on costs. Optitec walks you through a methodical, proven process that will deliver the software and systems implementation that will result in a document and business process automation solution that fits your needs and makes it easier for your organization to get work done, deal with compliance, and simply give access to the information individuals need when they need it. Companies that have implemented systems have seen a 4 times improvement in customer response times and have increased staff productivity by 1/3. Optitec solutions integrate with your existing platforms such as SAP, Oracle, PeopleSoft, SharePoint, Banner, and many others. And everything can be installed behind your firewall or in the cloud as an online service, whichever model works best for you. Hands-on training ensures that your system will be readily embraced by team members. We also offer document scanning services to free up valuable office space and employee time. It's all done for you with Optitec. Take the first step to achieving higher operational performance and a less stressful work life. Contact an Optitec representative for an initial consultation. Simply fill out the contact form or give us a call.